land. That you may open heaven and bring rain. In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen.
It's raining in Kilgoris. It is raining, it is raining. I see the rain. It's raining, it's raining. The God of the mightiest prophets has done it again. How powerful, how mighty. The rain that the two mega mightiest, most dreadful prophets of the Lord Yahweh decreed. It is already raining here in Transmara. Very, very tremendous and very, very shocking. Actually, very serious indeed. Because today, when the two mega mightiest prophets of the Lord Yahweh were in Bomet, they decreed that the heavens are going to be open over the nation. And today, it is already raining here in Transmara. Very, very big. Right here in Kilgoris, we celebrate the Lord very much. Imekuwa kubwa sana hapa kwa sababu inanyesha sasa. Mvua ya Bwana. You can see now we have the water. The water is now trickling. Very serious. The words of the Lord Jehovah Yahweh. Very, very tremendous and very dreadful indeed. We are shocked, actually very much shocked, because the words of the Lord is utterly fulfilled. Less than 2 hours ago, the two mega prophets of the Lord Yahweh decreed that it is going to rain in Kenya. The heavens are now open. After a very, very big drought here, it has been very long here drought, but now, finally, the rain of the Lord Yahweh, the heavens are actually open already. Very, very tremendous and very big indeed. The rain has come. The rain has come.